Now I got a helicopter.
What's it do?
Oh my gosh, you've got 3 stars. It just shoots at you.
A helicopter shoots at me?
Yeah.
That ain't fair.
Well, you've got a gun. Do you even know how to use it?
No, not really. I've had a lot of practice running things over a little bit.
Well, I guess that's good, but...
Having a little trouble with the other functions. Is 3 stars good?
No. That means they're after you a lot, and they're gonna get you, most likely.
That's what they said about body and cloud. They didn't get them.
No, yeah, they shot them 28 million times in the car.
Oh, that's lighter. Lighter machine guns. Hey, I just want to go shopping there.
Where?
Go to John.
YOLO? YOLO!
It's going. It's going. Tires are kind of flat.
It looks like it's barely even moving.
I'm having some trouble. It's not working so good. I need another vehicle. I need to make a vehicle swap. I need to find a good place. I need to find an ambulance.
Ambulance?
Get up, get up, get up, get up!
The way you jumped out.
Get up, get up, get up! It's on!
Soup's on! Jump off! Oh, no, never mind. I thought there was some...
I don't hear anybody.
They're all behind you.
Such a smooth handling, man.
Yeah, that's pretty smooth.
Well, I mean,
But they're so easy to tip over.
what is that? It's another ambulance. No, it's
On
not.
the bus.
Oh man, I'm missing all the people stuff. This big guy in the back. What do you think?
How you not see me?
You completely missed him.
Like, that's gonna happen, guys. We've been practicing this for a while. And you know it's not gonna happen. Another barbecue fart.
On the wall.
Oh no, I'm stuck. It's not fair, I can't see.
Still got 3 stars. Yeah. He knows who you are. Do the squid. Do the squid.
Why don't you run? Hey, run! I need to know. I need a bathroom. I need help. Help me, I'm dying. Where's one of them health packs? Can I have some coffee? Somebody got some coffee? Jump!